Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hey there, everyone. It is so awesome to be here with you today for another great lesson.
I am really happy too, because our listeners sent us so many messages asking for another dialogue episode. People are truly loving this format.
Oh, definitely. They are requesting it a lot. And honestly, listening to real conversations is one of the absolute best ways to learn.
It really is, Paul, because it shows how words actually connect in everyday life. Plus, it is perfect for shadowing practice.
Shadowing is such a powerful tool. You can just listen to us, pause the video, and repeat the sentences out loud to practice your pronunciation.
Exactly. It helps your mouth get used to the natural rhythm of American English. So today, we have a very realistic dialogue between Lucas and Maya.
Lucas feels like he is working hard but not getting anywhere. Let's listen to their conversation first, and then we will break down all the secrets inside it.
Hey, Maya. Can I ask you something?
Of course, Lucas. What is it?
How did you learn English so fast? I feel like I'm stuck.
Stuck? What do you mean?
I study every day, but I still can't speak well.
How do you study exactly?
I memorize a lot of grammar rules and word lists.
Ah, I see. That's part of the problem.
Wait, memorizing is wrong?
Not wrong, but it's not enough. You need to use the language.
But I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
Even you?
Especially me. I said so many silly things at first.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Try watching shows in English, with subtitles, at first.
That sounds fun, actually.
And talk to yourself, out loud, in English.
Out loud? Won't I look strange?
Maybe a little, but it really works.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. Don't translate everything. Try to think in English.
That's hard.
It is at the beginning, but it gets easier.
Wow. I never thought about it that way.
Just be patient with yourself. Progress takes time.
Thank you, Maya. This really helps.
Anytime, Lucas. You've got this.
Wow, that was such a wonderful conversation. There are so many great lessons we can take from Lucas and Maya.
Absolutely, Emily. Let's start right at the beginning, where Lucas says, "Can I ask you something?" That is a perfect phrase to start a conversation.
Yes, it is very natural and polite when you want to ask a friend for advice. But then Lucas uses a very interesting phrase. He says, "I feel like I'm stuck."
Oh, to feel stuck is a big one. It means you feel like you're not moving forward or you're not making any progress at all.
Right, it's like your car is stuck in the mud. You press the gas pedal, but the wheels just spin and you stay in the same place.
That is a perfect description, Emily. A lot of English learners feel exactly like that. They study, but they feel like they're not improving.
Yes, and Lucas explains why he feels that way. He says he studies every day, but he still cannot speak well.
Which leads to Maya's question, how do you study exactly? This is a great phrase to use when you want specific details about something.
Exactly. And Lucas answers that he memorizes a lot of grammar rules and word lists. He thinks that is the correct way to learn.
But Maya immediately stops him. She says, I see. That's part of the problem. She realizes his strategy is not working.
Part of the problem means that his actions are contributing to the bad result. Memorizing rules is not inherently bad, but it limits your speaking.
Right. And Lucas gets so confused. He asks, wait, memorizing is wrong? I love how he says wait to pause the conversation.
Yes, we use wait in conversation when we are surprised or want to clarify something. And Maya tells him it is not wrong, but it is just not enough.
That is the golden rule right there. You cannot just put information into your head. You have to actually use the language to build the skill.
But then Lucas shares his biggest roadblock. He says, "But I'm afraid of making mistakes." This is so common, isn't it, Paul?
Oh, definitely. Fear stops so many people from speaking. But Maya just laughs and says, everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
She is so right. Mistakes are not failures, they are just footsteps on the path to fluency. If you aren't making mistakes, you aren't trying.
Exactly. And when Lucas asks if she made mistakes too, she says, especially me. I said so many silly things at first.
We all say silly things. Silly means funny or a little foolish, but in a harmless way. It is much softer than saying stupid.
It really is. It makes the situation feel light and human. Hearing that honestly makes Lucas feel a lot better about his own journey.
That makes me feel better is a wonderful phrase to use when someone gives you comfort or reduces your anxiety. It is very common.
For sure. By the way, if you're enjoying this conversation and want to feel better about your English, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a like.
Yes, please share this video with a friend who is also learning. We love growing our community, and your support helps us make more videos.
Speaking of our community, let's see what everyone thinks. What is a silly mistake you made when speaking English? Tell us in the comments below.
Oh, I cannot wait to read those comments. It is always so fun and encouraging to see that we are all in this together.
It really is. Now, let's look at Maya's next tip. She tells Lucas to try watching shows in English, with subtitles at first.
This is a fantastic step. Using subtitles in the beginning is not cheating. It helps your eyes connect the written word to what your ears are hearing.
Yes, it trains your brain to recognize the sounds. And Lucas says, that sounds fun, actually. Learning should always be fun.
Definitely, because if it is fun, you will keep doing it every day. But then Maya gives a tip that makes Lucas a bit nervous.
Oh yeah, she tells him to talk to himself out loud in English. And Lucas is like, won't I look strange?
He thinks people will think he's going crazy. Out loud means speaking so other people can hear you, not just in your thoughts.
Right. Maya admits he might look a little strange, but she promises that it really works. And it truly does work wonders for your fluency.
It does, because you can practice when you are alone at home. You can talk about your day, describe what you are cooking, or just say your thoughts.
It trains the muscles in your mouth to speak English without the pressure of a real conversation. It's like an athlete practicing before a big game.
And you know, if you want an amazing tool to practice speaking and chatting anytime without any pressure, you should try Mr. English AI.
Oh, absolutely. Mr. English AI is like having a helpful friend in your pocket. You can text or talk to it whenever you want, and it helps you improve fast.
It is a completely safe space to practice everything you learn here on the channel. Plus, it gives you instant feedback to help you grow.
The link to try Mr. English AI is right down there in the video description. It's a fantastic tool, so make sure to check it out after this episode.
Yes, don't miss it. Now, let's move to the next advice Maya shares. She says, don't translate everything. Try to think in English.
Whew, that is a tough one for many students. Lucas immediately responds, that's hard. And honestly, it really is hard in the beginning.
It takes time because your brain naturally wants to translate from your native language first, but that process is too slow for real conversations.
Exactly. By the time you finish translating a sentence in your head, the other person has already changed the topic.
So true. You are still thinking about the greeting, and they are already saying goodbye. It can be so overwhelming.
To stop translating, you have to start small. Look at a simple object like a table and just think the word table directly in English.
Yes, don't say the word in your native language first. Just look at the item and label it in English. Small steps build a very strong habit.
And Maya reminds him of that. She says it gets easier, but he must be patient with himself because progress takes time.
That is my favorite part. Progress takes time is a deep truth. Learning a language is a long journey, not a fast race. You must be kind to yourself.
Lucas is very grateful for this advice. He says, "Wow, I never thought about it that way." This shows his perspective has completely changed.
It really did. And Maya ends with a lovely phrase. Anytime, Lucas, you've got this. Anytime is a friendly way to say you're welcome.
And "you've got this" means I believe in your ability to succeed. It's a super encouraging phrase to use with your friends.
We want to say that to all of our viewers too. You have got this. Now, let's listen to the entire dialogue one more time to practice our shadowing.
This is your chance to really listen to the rhythm now that you know all the phrases. Try to repeat after the words. Let's listen.
Hey, Maya. Can I ask you something?
Of course, Lucas. What is it?
How did you learn English so fast? I feel like I'm stuck.
Stuck? What do you mean?
I study every day, but I still can't speak well.
How do you study exactly?
I memorize a lot of grammar rules and word lists.
Ah, I see. That's part of the problem.
Wait, memorizing is wrong?
Not wrong, but it's not enough. You need to use the language.
But I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
Even you?
Especially me. I said so many silly things at first.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Try watching shows in English, with subtitles, at first.
That sounds fun, actually.
And talk to yourself, out loud, in English.
Out loud? Won't I look strange?
Maybe a little, but it really works.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. Don't translate everything. Try to think in English.
That's hard.
It is at the beginning, but it gets easier.
Wow. I never thought about it that way.
Just be patient with yourself. Progress takes time.
Thank you, Maya. This really helps.
Anytime, Lucas. You've got this.
That was absolutely wonderful. Hearing that dialogue a second time makes a huge difference, doesn't it?
It really does. I bet our listeners noticed so many more details this time around.
Exactly. Like how Maya didn't judge Lucas at all. She just supported him, which is exactly what a good study partner does.
That's a great point. Did you notice how Lucas felt relieved just knowing that everyone makes mistakes?
Yes, and that is a great lesson for everyone listening. Finding a friend to practice with makes the journey so much easier.
For sure. And even if you practice alone, out loud, just remember that progress takes time.
Totally. So write your favorite phrase from today's dialogue in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please share this video with a friend who is also learning English.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Keep practicing, and we will see you very soon.
You've got this, everyone. Bye-bye.